In English law, a company has a separate legal personality from the person who owns or controls it. This principle protects shareholders, but it can also be misused to conceal assets. That tension lay at the heart of Prest 5 Petrodel Resources Limited. Michael and Yasmin Prest married in 1993 and divorced in 2008. During the marriage, they lived an extremely wealthy lifestyle. When divorce proceedings began, Mrs. Prest claimed that her husband's true wealth was hidden behind offshore companies that he wholly owned and controlled. Mr. Prest argued that the properties belonged to the companies, not to him personally. He refused to give full financial disclosure, and the companies themselves failed to defend the proceedings. Under Section 24 of the Matrimonial Causes Act 1973, a court may only order the transfer of property if a spouse is entitled to it. Mr. Prest claimed he was not. The case reached the UK Supreme Court. The court unanimously overturned the Court of Appeal. Lord Sumption held that piercing the corporate veil is a last resort, available only where a company is used to evade an existing legal obligation. That threshold was not met. Instead, the court relied on trust principles. Because Mr. Prest had funded the purchases, and because of his obstruction and dishonesty, the court drew adverse inferences and found that the companies held the properties on a resulting trust for him. As the beneficial owner, Mr. Prest was entitled to the properties, giving the court jurisdiction to order their transfer. Since Prest, courts have followed this approach. In cases such as AAZ v BBZ, Estrada v Al-Jafali, and Akhmedova v Akhmedova, judges have relied on trust principles and drawn adverse inferences where spouses hide assets behind companies. Today, Prest v Petrodel stands as a landmark case. It teaches that while companies have separate legal personality, equity will not allow that personality to be abused. The corporate veil remains intact, but when justice demands it, the courts will look behind it, not through it.